What's up YouTube? Welcome to another video. Last week Honor President Xiaoming has released several statements regarding the Honor 30 Pro model. It will arrive with the Honor 30 on April 15. Today the first official image of the Honor 30 Pro device was shared. We know that the main sensor of the Honor 30 Pro, which will come within the 4 rear camera component, will be of 50 megapixel Sony IMX700 sensor. In addition, we see that there is a periscope model and the rear camera sensor, which will have two other sensors that are not yet known, and they are placed vertically aligned in an L shape. The new image also shows that the Honor 30 Pro will come in purple and silver, as you can see in these images. The device should arrive with a 6.57-inch of OLED Full HD plus 90Hz display. In addition, it will have a Kirin 995G chipset and a 3900 mAh of a battery. The details about the smartphone, which will be offered in two variants, 8GB and 12GB of a RAM option and up to 256GB of storage. It should be noted that there is no leaked information about the price tag of Honor Pro yet. Recently, we got Geekbench screenshot of the benchmark score of Honor 30 Pro. Also, we can see that it will be coming with the Kirin 995G SoC in the Geekbench 4.2 database. We have all new model of Huawei with the model number EBGAN00. The corresponding model has the code name Edinburgh. Taking into consideration all the previous leaks, there is every reason to think we are dealing with the upcoming Honor 30 Pro. In that screenshot, we see that the Honor 30 Pro has a single core of 3876 and a multi-core score of 12571. They are basically in the line with the performance of Kirin 995G. In addition, the Honor 30 Pro device tested at the Geekbench is also equipped with an 8GB RAM and runs on Android 10 system. As I said, the Honor 30 Pro will be uncovered on April the 15th, but we are sure that before that we can learn about more information and features regarding that particular device. So until then, if you want to keep updated regarding that particular device, do consider subscribing my channel. So that is it in this video. Let me know your thoughts in the comments and I'll meet you in the next one. Peace out.